In this video, you'll learn how to add a bank account in Binance. By following these steps, you will be able to link your bank account to your Binance wallets, enabling seamless transactions. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, locate the wallet option in the main navigation menu, which is typically found at the top of the screen. Click on Wallet to proceed to your wallet overview. After accessing your wallet, look for the Payment Methods section. This section may be directly visible or could require you to scroll down a bit. Once you find it, click on Add Bank Account to start the process of linking your bank account. You will be prompted to select a bank transfer option. Choose the appropriate option that suits your needs. Following this, enter your bank details accurately. This includes your bank name, account number, and any other required information. Ensure that all details are correct to avoid any issues later. Next, it is essential to verify the information you have entered. Make sure that the account holder name matches the name you used for your Binance verification. This step is crucial for compliance and security reasons. Complete any necessary security verification that Binance requires, which may include two-factor authentication. After ensuring all information is correct, submit the details and wait for confirmation. Finally, to ensure that your bank account has been successfully linked, perform a test transaction. Make a small deposit or withdrawal to confirm that the bank account works properly. After completing the transaction, check your transaction history in Binance. If the transaction appears as successful, your bank account is now active for future use. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.